No, don't eat it. Okay, Josh, you ready at the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. All right, do it again. Just take a break in between. That's when she thinks it's funny. Okay, ready? Take a break. Now, ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm videotaping, yeah. Okay, ready? No, let Noah do it this time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go, Noah. Rip it.
1, 2, 3. Oh, that one was a good one. Okay, hang on. I got a piece of paper. 1, 2, 3. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Can I have a part of that, please? I'll watch it. You can do it to save it more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, hang on. Maria said time out.
You gotta go slow. Rip it slowly.
Okay.
Maria. Yucky. Don't eat it.
Watch me my bow and arrow, Mom.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm watching you.
Okay. Maria. Watch this. Yeah, she doesn't have a big issue. 1, 2, 3. That's my Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Joshy, she can touch them. It's okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think we have to have another quiet break. Okay. That was hilarious. That was too bad you were too late, Mom.
I know.
And
You're laughing so hard.
Can you tell her I'm gonna have a break again because we're just gonna keep doing it. 1, 2, 3. Wait, Mommy.
I don't think she likes it when you guys do it right in her face like that. Are you throwing your papers, Miss Maria?
Hang on.
Yeah,
Let's do a paper throw. Ready? Just gather some paper. Ready? Set. Go! No, you're right in front of the camera. Everyone see Maria. Okay, Ma, can I go? That was hilarious.
Okay, Maria. Maria, say bye-bye. That's right, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you clap, Maria? Show her how to clap, guys. All right. Maria, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Good job, baby girl.
Bye-bye.